Advanced machines help smooth and compact the material, ensuring a high-quality finish. This stage transforms the skeletal structure into a functional bridge deck. The construction continues with the installation of vertical towers and suspension cables. These cables distribute weight evenly and provide additional strength, allowing the bridge to handle heavy traffic loads. Finally, the road surface is paved, markings are added, and safety barriers are installed. What started as isolated pillars becomes a fully operational bridge connecting two sides seamlessly. This entire process showcases the precision, teamwork, and engineering excellence behind modern infrastructure.